What's up, everybody, and welcome to your next Sfml 2.0 tutorial. Sorry if you guys feel like this is a waste of a tutorial, but I just want to do it just in case people won't ask me. Even though I've mentioned it, I still want to show you guys just in case. So what we're going to be looking into is the zooming effect, the rotating effect, and moving the camera, right? So it's gonna be really easy. So what we're gonna do now is right here. We're just gonna say if SF keyboard is key pressed, SF keyboard, I'll just say Z. And if that's true, then we're gonna say view one zoom, and we need a factor that we zoom by. If we say to zoom by 1, that means the view is gonna stay the same. If we do less than 1, that means the view is gonna zoom in, meaning that objects are gonna get larger. If we do larger than 1, then that means the objects are gonna be coming in closer. I mean, it's gonna be zooming out, so the objects are gonna be farther. Sorry for that. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna increase this by the factor that we specify each time. So what we're gonna do is just put 1.0, or we'll put 1.001f. So it's a little bit higher than 1. That means it's not gonna zoom out too fast, right? And we're gonna set this to both views. And let's run this. So when we press Z, as you can see, it zooms out. Okay, we never put anything to zoom in. So let's just look at the code here. So we can just put else if SF keyboard is key pressed, SF keyboard, let's say X. Then we'll say view one dot zoom, and we'll put 0.99. Oh, why did I do that twice? So you guys know I'm tired. Okay, so let's put 0.99f, or yeah, let's do that. So it might zoom in faster, and we'll put 0.99f. So it'll zoom in faster. So we'll just do this. So we'll zoom out, zoom in. So it does zoom in faster because the number is closer to 1 than the number that we zoom out by. But you guys get the point of zooming. So now that we covered that, now we can add in rotation. So let's say SF keyboard is key pressed, SF keyboard, let's just say R, and we'll say view one dot rotate, and this is the angle in degrees that we rotate by, right? So a lot of people are really more familiar with degrees rather than radians. So this is a cool feature that it does in degrees for us. And if you guys are really math oriented and like working with radians rather than degrees, then you can always use the math library, and then you can convert the radians to degrees to work with Sfml. Okay, and we're gonna add an else if, and we're gonna say keyboard is key pressed, SF keyboard. Let's just put whatever E. And we'll say view one rotate, and we'll do by negative 0.1, and same for the second view. Oh, and I realized I wasn't zoomed in at that point. Sorry for that. But as you can see, it rotates, and we can rotate back, and so on and so forth. So I never just zoomed in at that portion, so let me zoom in to see the coachings I made. So I just said we rotate at 0.1, and when we press E, it rotates in the opposite direction by 0.1. So that's it. And last but not least, if you want to move I already showed you this, but just show you it again. So we'll say that if we press R, we'll say move 0. We'll say we'll move at 0.1, and we'll put 0 there. Same for the second view. And if we press E, then we'll move. So we'll just change the move. So we'll move in the opposite direction. And let's run this. So when we press R, oh, it's probably not a large enough factor. Let's see. Let's change this to 1.0. That's weird. Oh, the reason why it's not moving is because we have our set center there. No wonder. So because of our set center, it's not really going to move. It's gonna be reset back to the way the center is. So we can't really do that. But just like with our rectangles and with our images and stuff like that, we can move it by saying view.move, and we can move it by a certain value. So I'm gonna end the tutorial there. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.